Hello, my name is Neha Kshirsagar and I am presenting our project on behalf of all team members. We have done our project in the subject of resume classification. As we know, nowadays company receives thousands of resumes for recruitment process, and it is very difficult task to concerned authorities to go through each and every resume and sort it out according to their criteria. It is very time consuming process. So, in our proposed system, machine itself classifies resumes according to criteria, and it is very time saving process because now the job of recruiter is only to post the jobs and post the criteria required for that jobs. And classification will be done on the basis of specialization of the candidate. This is the system architecture of our project. When user uploads his resume to the system, pre-processing on that resume will be done, such as remove at the rate, remove URL, remove stop words. Then it will go to natural language processing. We are using natural language processing algorithm for extracting keywords from resume. There are various steps in NLP such as word tokenization, which is used for separating words. Then pause tagging, parts of speech are tagged to each word. This algorithm detects if the word token is noun, verb, or adjective. Then Porter's stemmer is used to convert all the grammatical forms of the words to the root of the word. Then word similarity. By using this technique, the system can find the similar words. After natural language processing, content-based filtering using TF-IDF will be done. TF-IDF is used for testing data according to frequency and relevance of the keywords in the resume. After content-based filtering using TF-IDF, the resume score will be calculated, and according to scores, resume will be recommended to recruiter. It will show score-wise resume reached to recruiter. Now we will see demo of our project. This is the login page of our system. Now we have logged in the system. This is candidate portal where he can upload his resume. And he has to select his resume from his system. When candidate uploads his resume, pie chart according to his skills will be displayed. These pie charts and skills that are mentioned in candidate's resume will be displayed to recruiter's portal also. Now we will go to recruiter's portal. Here recruiter can also upload resume if he has any candidate's resume with him. Now he can post job. Job is posted. He can see his posted job in posted jobs. Also he can find candidates. The skills of candidates are showing here and score of the candidates will be showing here. If recruiter want to see candidate's resume, he can get the resume from tapping here. So this is the candidate's resume. Now candidate can apply to jobs which are posted by recruiter. So here status is applied. In applied jobs, candidate can see jobs he applied for. This is the resume which is recommended by the system to the recruiter, and we can view the resume of that candidate, and we can send email if we are interested in that candidate. So this was the demo of our project. Our system is for IT recruiters, but this system can be extended further to other domains like telecoms, healthcare, e-commerce and public sector jobs, etc. Lastly, we are very grateful to Professor Ms. Jagruti Wagh ma'am and our HOD Dr. Harmeet Khanuja ma'am for guiding and supporting us. Thank you.